move to you guys in one of my earlier tap moves. It was just the simple brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, cross together. Now you can add on to that. I'm going to show that for you guys today. So, since I did teach this move before, I feel like you guys will have it pretty quickly. If you don't remember how to do this move, then go check out my first video where I am thoroughly teaching the brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, cross together. And then come back to here because we're going to add on to it. Alright, so what I'd like you guys to do is I'd like to have your hands flat. So just like this, flat as a pancake. See my hands? This is what I want you to do. So in most of the dances, tap dances you do, a lot of your hands will be like this. It just looks proper, it's just the way it is. So, or you have your hands on your waist, but what I'm gonna have you guys do is have your hands flat. So, I'm gonna face you guys just for now, and then I'll face the back. So you're gonna use your right foot, and right now it probably looks like I'm using my left foot, but it is your right. So if you want, you can use your left foot just because you're following me right now. But I would recommend using your right foot. So I guess that would be this one. So have your hands flat, but don't worry. I will turn around so you guys will see it and you can do the right foot with me. But I'm gonna just do it this way, just for a little bit. Okay, so having your hands flat, we're gonna brush forward with our right foot, and then you're gonna cross it over. Cross. So yeah, you have your right leg in front of your left. And you look like, I don't know, if you were sitting down, your legs were crossed, that's how it would look. But you're standing up. So again, you just brush forward, cross. And you want to make sure you're hitting the floor twice. So I want to hear it. 1, 2. Okay? Make sure you hit the floor. And then you're going to do 2 toe toes. So just 2 of them. So you're just going to hit the upper part of your tap shoe, and you're just going to do toe, toe. So just make sure it's 2. It's not 3, it's not 4, it's 2. So again, you're going to brush forward with your right foot, brush, cross. You have that right leg lifted up. Now you're going to do toe, toe. So it's 1, 2. And now we're going to brush back. So you're going to go brush this way. So imagine you have it. You just did toe, toe. You are kicking a soccer ball, and you do kick. And when you do that, make sure you're hitting the floor. So you do kick, and then you're gonna brush that right foot back. And now we're adding on to this. So again, we just went from here, we just did toe, toe, we brush it forward, we kick, and then you brush that right foot back, and then you're gonna add a shuffle to it. So you have that right leg, right foot lifted up, you're just gonna do forward, back, together. So again, from the top, we do brush, cross, toe, toe. We kick the soccer ball, we come back, and you do shuffle. So you forward, back, together. Now I want the shuffle to be a little faster than that. So it'll look more like forward, back, together. Just try that. So you just do forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So you make sure you go forward and then back. So forward comes first and then you go back. So again, it'll look more like this. Brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, back, shuffle, step. So again, forward, back, step. Good? Okay, we'll try it one more time with the right foot and then we'll move on to the left. So you're gonna do brush, cross, toe, toe, just 2. Now we kick the soccer ball, make sure you're hitting the floor, forward, back, shuffle, step. Good. Let's try it with the left, but before we do that, I'm going to face the back so you guys can see it with the right foot, and you can follow along now just a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Make sure, again, your hands are flat the whole time. Okay, so here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, right foot. Brush, cross, 2 toes, 1, 2, kick the soccer ball, back, forward, back, together. When I say forward, back, it's the shuffle. So shuffle, step. Okay, one more time. Right foot, we do brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, back, shuffle, step. Now we're going to try it with the left foot, but I'm going to face the front foot. brush it. You imagine you're kicking a soccer ball or whatever it is. You just want to make sure you hit the floor when you do it. So I want to hear the brush, okay? Because I've seen some students that I've taught, they'll just have their foot and they'll go. They won't even be hitting the floor. So you want to make sure you're hitting the floor. I really want to hear the sounds. And again, make sure your hands are flat. So here we go. And with the left foot now, we brush forward. Cross 2 toes, 1, 2. Brush it forward, back. Now we're going to add the shuffle. So you're just going to do forward, back. And you're going to do shuffle, step. Okay? Again, left foot, hands are flat. Head lifted, ready to go. So we're going to do, with that left foot, we do brushing it forward, cross, toe, toe. We brush it forward, back. We have that left foot lifted. We're going to have that shuffle. You're going to do forward, back, together. Now I want the shuffle to be a little bit faster. Again, I want it to potentially look like this. So just practice forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. To get it up to that speed. That would be ideal to have that shuffle up to that speed just because it comes across a little more crisp. It looks really good when you have it all together. Okay, so we're going to do the left foot again a little bit faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, cross, toe, toe. Brush it forward, back, shuffle, step. Alright, I'm going to face the back now so you guys can see the right feet and what foot you're really supposed to use. Okay, so it's the left foot, and again, hands flat, ready to go. And we're going to do brush forward, cross, 2 toes, 1, 2, forward, back, shuffle, step. Good. Now I'm going to do it to the back, starting with your right foot and then your left foot. And I'm going to not say anything. Okay, so just have it in your head. You brush forward, cross, toe, toe, forward, back, shuffle, step. Okay, so we're going to do it with our right foot and then the left. Here we go. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I'm going to face the mirror now. And I'm going to do it a little bit faster now. We're going to start with our right foot, then our left. And we're just going to go right away. It'll be and then left foot right away. Okay, so let's try it. I'm not going to say anything, just make sure you have your right foot ready, and then your left foot comes right after. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. That's the brush, cross, toe, toe, brush, cross, shuffle step. So this will be, I think this is tap move number 9. So it's tap move number 9 because we just did tap move number 8. So this one is tap move number 9. So we only have one more. And then after that, tap move number 10, we can do a little tap dance with from tap move number 5 to all the way to tap move number 10 and make it a little combo, and it'll be really fun. So I hope you guys liked this tap move. If you did, please give it a thumbs up or also subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified when there's a new video. Also, I would like to mention that I saw somebody comment on one of my videos saying they wanted me to do a dance to, I think it was Blackpink. That sounds really cool. I might do it in the next video. I'm just gonna look it up and see what I can do. But I look at all the comments, so if there's any comment that you want me to do, for example, that one, like Blackpink, I'll try to do it. So if there's another comment, or if you have a comment that you would like to add, that you want me to do, then I will definitely try it out. So be sure to do that if you have something, if you're interested, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye guys.